Okay, so I have the Sunlu filament connector. Created this nice little box for it. Fits everything I need in it. Now the problem with the Sunlu connector is its design. It doesn't really allow for filament to be steady when you need to connect something together. It flops around, hard to keep things together. And the one thing everybody online that has bought this thing has made some sort of jig. And I've got 2 jigs right here that we use to put it together. Alright, so you got this, which basically holds the filament so it can stay in between. And then I made this so you can form it, because that's hot plastic there that is basically formed at the connection point, and this allows it to stay in and form here. So let's go ahead and do this real quick, and I'll show you how I do it. So I've got these 2 pieces, and a little bit on this and a little bit on this, and I'm going to connect these 2 together. So first thing we're going to do is pull out a bunch of filament from one side, and we're going to use our cutters to cut at a 45-degree angle here, or close to it. All right, and we're just going to stick this in our jig. Okay, now we'll figure out about where it is. Now let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Let this start to warm up for us. Okay, see, it is on PLA. All right, it's starting to warm up. Good. So we'll go ahead and move this. I don't know if you can see that. Move that into position. That way it holds it. Okay, a little more slack. And let's do the other side. Now, I'm just basically setting it, getting the length correct here before we put the silicone on. So that's about right for that. That side. All right, oh, turned it off. Okay, so set this off to the side for now. Grab our little silicone piece. Slide that on here. Come on, get a little Fargan bastage. There we go. Alright, so next, let's go ahead and put this on here. And believe me, when you've got tightly wound filament, you need to be basically an octopus to try to put all this stuff together. So there's my 2 filaments, and now it holds it there for me. So this seems to be ready. Not yet. Okay, so it's ready now. Okay, nice and hot. Put this down in here, into the former, into there, as you can see. Let's see. Hopefully this did it. Okay, looks like we got a pretty solid bond. So, oh look, it's a really nice solid bond there. As you can see here, really good. Okay, so now we can either cut this plastic off here, or as you can see, there's not much left in here. I'll just wind it off and pull it off as I wind it off. So, and that's pretty much it. That is the filament connector.